It says that y is inversely proportional to the square root of x positive 4. Now when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, find y when x is equal to 77. Now this is the solution. What is given? Given y is inversely proportional to square root of x positive 4. So when you're writing, you will have to connect it like this with a constant k over square root of x positive 4. So that's the way you need to create the equation. Now you need to get the value of k. Now when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. Substitute that value. So 2 is equal to k over root of 5 positive 4, which means 2 is equal to k over root of 9. This in turn would mean 2 is equal to k over 3. So 2 times 3, so k is equal to 6. So therefore we got y is equal to 6 over root of x positive 4. Now we need to get the value of y when x is equal to 77. So this means y is equal to 6 over root of x is equal to 77 positive 4. 6, y is equal to 6 over, this one will give me 81. So this in turn will mean y is equal to 6 over root of 81 is 9. 3 divides here 2 times, 3 divides here 3 times. So y is equal to 2 over 3. So that's the solution for this question.